In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your profile on Gumroad in 2026. First, open your browser and go to Gumroad. If you already have an account, click Login. If not, click Sign Up and create a new account using your email or another available sign-in option. After creating your account, make sure to verify your email address by opening the verification email sent by Gumroad and clicking the confirmation link. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Gumroad dashboard. Now go to the left sidebar, scroll down and click on Settings. Inside Settings, open the Profile tab. This is where you can fully customize your Gumroad profile. Start by setting your username, display name or brand name, bio or short description, profile picture or logo. Your bio should clearly explain what you sell or who you are, so visitors immediately understand your store. You can also add your social links and customize your profile appearance with background colors and highlight colors to make your page look more professional. Next, go to the payment section. Here you can set your country, currency, time zone, payout information, bank or payment details. Make sure all payment information is correct so you can receive payouts without problems. You can also open the advanced settings to customize your store URL or connect a custom domain if you want a more professional branded store. For example, your Gumroad store link may look like yourname.gumroad.com. After completing everything, click Update Settings to save your profile changes. A complete profile helps build trust, makes your store look professional, and improves your chances of getting more sales. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.